Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPWH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move here today. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk about areas of resistance. First point of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you're saying, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that'd be right up there at $5.45. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can continue to hold above there, that would certainly be a great sign of strength. Next level of support after that is the previous breakout point, and that's right there at $5.20. So 545, 520, two shorter term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, and really just a way to kind of simplify everything is the purple line right here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line's going to continue to move up and look something like that. So from a very simplistic point of view, in terms of, well, hey, Clay, how do you measure the health of the move? How can we measure the health of this? Well, simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line going forward, then the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. So ideally, like I said, 540, if the price can hold above there, that'd be great. But from the grand scheme of things at this point, as long as the price keeps on chugging above that purple line, that's the key thing from the big picture perspective. Now, what about areas of resistance? At this point, I'm just going to focus on one, and I'll explain that in a second. But in my mind, the key level here going forward right there at $5.85. Yes, I realize the price went up a little bit above it, but as far as points of price congestion, I think we can all agree right around there seems to be where the majority of the data points are at this point in time. So 585, key level resistance, and I'm just focusing on that one because in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just build higher bases. Build higher bases, because as time unfolds, as long as the price is putting in those higher bases, the long-term chart is going to take care of itself, which includes breaking levels of resistance. So very nice day today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.